Over 3 years of development, using modern methods of construction, featuring patented technology, matching current and future building regulations and environmental targets, a system that maximizes off-site management, introducing a truly unique product to the domestic construction and refurbishment market. U-Roof, the innovative steel roof frame solution. If you're looking for improved construction time, cost-effective solutions and a new groundbreaking method of roofing design and installation, then look no further than U-Roof. Our bespoke state-of-the-art machinery is designed for efficient and speedy manufacturing. In-house processes enable a typical 100 square metre roof structure to be rolled from coil in under 45 minutes. The design and development of this system is the only one of its kind to be approved by the Steel Construction Institute to meet NHBC guidelines. All sections of the U-Roof system are produced from just 2 sizes of steel coil. The easy loading of the tough galvanized coils enables us to be ready for production in no time. Punching in each section, including clearance holes and notching of the joists, are integrated into the manufacturing process, which reduces fabrication times considerably. This truly modern method of production increases efficiency and reduces waste materials to near zero levels. To greatly enhance production, the patented U-shaped section and corresponding profiles are manufactured with dimples, allowing the sections to be snapped together for fast and accurate assembly. The sections are then secured with self-piercing rivets and are then ready for delivery and assembly. On-site assembly of the U-Roof panels has been made easier as a result of the manufacturing process. The system will arrive on-site with no packaging, no need for treatment or special storage requirements, and no waste. Arriving as flat-packed or cube sections, they will be ready for installation immediately. The floor joists are temporarily bordered to provide a safe and clear working area. The main roof panels are first to be erected, lifted after being secured to pre-punched holes in the floor joists. Next to be installed are the cheek walls. Remember, the panels are measured and made to precise dimensions during manufacturing and marked for ease of installation. Our specially designed, modern and patented U-shaped profile allows for the simple fixing and assembly of the roof frame structure, regardless of the roof pitch angle or wall position. The final stage of assembly is the ceiling panels, again featuring the patented U-shaped profile for ease of installation no matter what the roof pitch angle. The U-Roof system allows any self-builder, main contractor, social or private house builder to rapidly install the roofing structure for a domestic or light commercial building. The U-Roof system can be installed in hours, with following roofing work to be completed sooner, giving a weather-resistant structure in under a day. U-Roof can truly offer you an affordable and modern solution to your roofing construction requirements. As a U-Roof customer, you will benefit from accelerated build times of a few short hours for each structure, precision engineering, ground level assembly, reduction of health and safety risks, same-day weather-tight installation, complex bespoke designs when required, room in the roof solution as standard, zero site wastage, a system impervious to moisture and insect attack, and a 50-year structural warranty. U-Roof, introducing a new era in roofing design and installation.